Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And today we're opening day 5 of our 12 Days of Stitchmas kit from Bothy Threads. Okay, first let's get our tea going. We're getting low on tea. What do we got? Lemon ginger, green tea with citrusy lemon flavor and warming ginger. Green tea, lemon ginger. That'd probably be pretty good. Let's get this bag open. That smells very lemony. That smells pretty good. This might be pretty good. Put that thing in for a swim. Soak, 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 soak. Okay. See how that works. Lemon ginger. Lemon ginger. Oh, that does smell good. Reminds me of one of those lemon cough drops, kind of. Okay. Day 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, day 5. 12 days of Christmas, Stitchmas. And open the box. And this is what we're dealing with. So we got to dig through there and find it. Day 6, day 8, day 5. Day 5. Got her. Feels like, ooh, I'm going to guess. I'm not 100% sure, of course. I'm going to guess it's a needle threader. Could be completely wrong. Would not be the first time. Oh, I think, oh, it's a needle minder. I saw the magnet on the back. Look at that, it's a snowman. How cute is that? A little wooden snowman. These are, let me show you how these work. So pretend this is my fabric. And I've got a nice big magnet on the back. And then as I'm working on my project, I just happen to have a few needles sitting here. So as I'm working on my project, I can lay my needles on there and it holds on to them. So I can have empty needles, extra empty needles, or I can have my needles already threaded and ready to go for the next items. That is really, I've never seen a wooden one like that. It kind of acts like a little tray. That's a great one. Love it. I love needle minders. I am all about the needle minders. Yes, indeed. So that's a really good one. That is a really good one. And I like a nice big one. Okay, so that is day 5. Put that right there. Perfect. And then we will be back for day 6 tomorrow. Day 6 of our 12 days of Stitchmas. I really like, I know a lot of the Advent type calendars are yarn and it's just days and days of yarn. And those are nice, but I had like getting all the little extra things, like this, the stitch marker holder and things like that. All right, let's try our tea. Lemon ginger. It's not bad. It does not have a strong flavor at all. I think it needs to seep a little bit longer to get, oh, there's that little tiny bit of ginger on the back. I think it needs to seep a little bit longer to get the good flavor. Probably not one I would reach for, but I would definitely drink it if it was offered. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please like, please subscribe, and please send this to somebody you think might enjoy it. Next time. Bye-bye.